How long vinegar-based cleaner should stay on a surface before scrubbing depends on soil type and surface sensitivity, but for most household cleaning, 5 to 10 minutes is effective. For light dirt and routine cleaning, apply a mixture of 1 part white distilled vinegar to 2 parts water and let it sit for about 5 minutes before scrubbing with a soft brush or microfiber cloth. For greasy or mineral-stained surfaces, increase dwell time to up to 10 minutes, but check progress at intervals to avoid prolonged exposure on sensitive finishes. Always test a small hidden area first, especially on natural stone, waxed wood, or painted surfaces, because vinegar is acidic and can etch or dull some materials. If you see any change, neutralize with a baking soda and water paste and rinse immediately. Agitate gently rather than using heavy force to protect seals and grout. For grout, use a nylon brush and repeat application rather than harsh scrubbing. After the dwell time, rinse thoroughly with clean water and then dry with a clean towel to remove residual acidity and prevent streaking or corrosion on metal fixtures. For frequent maintenance, shorten dwell time to 1 to 3 minutes and follow with a quick wipe to minimize cumulative wear on sensitive surfaces. Common mistakes include leaving vinegar on too long on vulnerable surfaces, which can cause etching or finish loss, so stop at the first sign of dulling and rinse promptly. Another error is using full-strength vinegar on delicate materials. Dilute it and test first to prevent damage. A third issue is letting the cleaner dry before scrubbing, which reduces effectiveness and can leave residues, so always monitor and wipe before it becomes tacky. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical renovation and maintenance advice related to topics like cleaning dwell times. Our discussion community lets us exchange real experiences and tips so our members can make better decisions and find work through project leads and conversations.